What's good, guys? This is EU. I was just sitting in the office going over EU a little bit and getting some idea of what's been happening in the market over the week. It's the weekend, so the market is obviously closed. But I just wanted to take a better look, a deeper dive into EU and see what's happening with EU. All right, so let's get to work, guys. We see that this is the weekly chart, and we see the major break happening here, creating this huge trading range, right? So now when that we have the trading range and the market is counter trending within the trading range, we're looking for areas that the market could potentially react from. From what I see is this is the first major break within this trading range. The market breaks this area right here. The market breaks this area. And from this area, it gives us the drop that breaks the area. The market creates a base, then drop. So I put a weekly base here as a potential area that the market will want to react from. Okay, there's just a potential area where the market will want to react from. Let's let's get a reading on, and we see a very strong volume node coming out of this area. We have the point of control here and the volume node, a very strong volume node above it. Okay, so the market eventually came to this area. To fast forward, the market did come to this area and gave us a reaction from this area that we was anticipating. We dropped down to the daily to see what the daily is doing, and the daily gave us a clean break of structure. We see the break to the high here. The market could accumulate some, and drops give us a break here. The market pushes back up into this daily sell range and is reacting from the area where the volume is in the market from this daily break. Bam, and this is the highest volume area in the zone in this area. So what we'll do is we'll I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand. I gotta get a stand. Let's do it like this. Okay. This is the liquidity block for the zone. This is where the volume is in the area. Okay. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. Boom. And in the 4 hour, we see that the market came up into our area. The market reacted from this liquidity block right here, this high area here, and it gave us a break of structure to the low here, right? Creating liquidity above this area. We see that the market comes up, sweeps this available liquidity, right? Let's drop to the 1 hour. The market sweeps this available liquidity from this area, sweeps the available liquidity, and now the market gave us this huge drop, and it's coming back up to this area. So we're starting to the supply area. This is a good area for supply. The market has already swept the available liquidity, and we want to see the market begin to trade down and break some of these lows and come down into this area right here, guys. We're still in a good supply, and we're still looking for a sell for next week.